Hey, today we're on board Harmony of the Seas. Welcome on board with us. When I say us, I got Caden with me today. We're going to be in Balcony Stateroom number 6278. We're on spring break today, so Caden, you want to show them around the room a little bit?
Sure.
What do you want to show them first?
There's a couch.
Okay.
That's what I'm standing on right now.
Standing on the couch, okay. Is that going to be where you sleep the next couple days?
Yeah.
Perfect. And then, of course, we have a queen-size bed over here. And it's time for an announcement. So we're going to go over here to the queen bed, which is going to be where I'm sleeping the next several nights. The queen bed here, as you can see behind me, is a nice large bed with plenty of space. So you have that available to you here on an ocean stateroom. One of my favorite things, of course, is going to be the balcony. One thing I really like about this room is the big open windows. That way you can see the beautiful turquoise waters when we're going along. So let's go out here and I'll show you what the balcony looks like as soon as I can figure out how to open the door. Caden's going to help us with that.
It's easier.
Okay, he's got us taken care of.
It's easier said than done.
Here on the balcony, you will have two chairs, which you have one here, and then you have another one. The railings, while they are fairly high, I'm 6'2", they're right about mid-belly level for me. Still want to be safe, right? He says yes.
Yes.
So we also have a little table out here, that way you can have your morning breakfast. So we're gonna go back into the stateroom. So as far as entertainment goes in the room, you do have this TV right here, so it's about a 32-inch. That way you can watch some things. We haven't really checked it out yet. Caden, what's over here beside the bed over on this side that people will like?
A nightstand.
Nightstand with an outlet. So this room does have a few outlets, as you can see. There's one over there. There's 3 underneath on the desk. And you do have a European style and a couple of USB outlets right there.
You got a water bottle.
We did buy some water. That way we're prepared. Where are we keeping the water?
In the
Another
fridge.
nice amenity here is, you want to show us the fridge?
Give me a second. I'm trying to make
So we do have a mini fridge here that we've loaded with water. So we do have that.
We locked in loaded.
We pre-bought some water before we got on board because we love to drink water. That is one thing. It's a little expensive, just kind of heads up, but I think it's worth it. Whoa. Some people bring water bottles, that way you can save a little bit on money. You do have a very simple thermostat here in this room. You have just hot or cold. It's always running, and it comes out right above here. So you do have a constant little airflow in the room. We do have forgive our mess, but we do have 2 closets. This is the bigger of the 2.
This is my closet.
That's going to be Caden's.
That's my blanket for tonight.
You got blanket in there. And then over here we have another closet.
That's not a part of the cruise.
You got shelves. Yeah, that blanket doesn't come with the room.
No.
But,
No, don't think that.
and then over here you got some drawers. That way you can store your stuff.
They all just empty,
For now.
except for this one.
And then for those who need to,
dryer.
oh,
Okay.
you dropped your microphone. And then in here we do have a hair dryer.
And tissues.
If you're kind of curious, that is one thing that's nice. Royal Caribbean has tissues in the room. A lot of American cruise lines do. However, I've been on a couple cruise lines that weren't American that don't have tissues. But hair dryer, that way you do have that in the room. You'll find that in that drawer right there. So the desk, nice little work area. I will be set up there later. Okay, so next I'm going to show you the bathroom, and we're going to go in here. It's going to get a little tight. Cruise ships don't have the biggest of bathrooms always, but we will make do because we're only on board for 7 nights, so this won't be too bad. He's gonna hop up on the toilet and hope it holds his weight, I guess. What do we got going on in here? We got a little storage area right there by where you're standing.
Yeah, for sure.
And then a little counter space, a cute little sink, some storage underneath, and a glass door shower without a shower curtain. Hopefully it keeps all the water in. So I'm gonna hop in here real quick and show you, because I'm always curious, what is the water pressure like? So I'm gonna open this. You wanna turn on the shower without getting yourself wet?
Oh, I'm gonna get myself wet. So hold that door.
Gotcha. Is that the water full blast?
No. That is.
That is the water full blast. So now we kind of know what water pressure you're working with the showers here. It's not enough to blow paint off of anything, but hey, to get you clean after a long day of being in the sun and having all that sunscreen on you, that is a great option. So this is going to be our nice little room for the next 7 nights on board Harmony of the Seas. This is stateroom 6278 on board Harmony of the Seas, where Caden and I will be spending the next 7 nights.